This is the Etnyre booth. We brought an asphalt trailer, a Falcon live bottom trailer. We've got an asphalt distributor, and we brought a lowboy trailer as well. We're going to talk about the asphalt distributor mostly. It's a nice looking red chassis, 2,000 gallon tank. This is our variable width spray bar. Excellent for spraying emulsions, tacking in front of a paver, chip seal work. This one's equipped with diesel burners, 2 diesel burners. It's got a nice washout tank for the asphalt system. Proven system we've been building for many years now. All automated, all computer controls. Just need to teach a driver to get in there and go make some money.